Hello, this is Hemant Verma, studying in 3rd BTech CSC in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Now I am going to say the answers for the Node.js interview questions. What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Generally, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to create their JavaScript code on the server side. It's different from the technologies like Apache or PHP because it uses a non-blocking, event-driven architecture, make it well suited for handling asynchronous tasks and real-time applications. And what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? In Node.js, a callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is executed when the function completes its operations. They are commonly used in asynchronous programming to handle tasks like reading files, making network requests, or else responding to the events, ensuring non-blocking execution. What is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file is a Node.js project, serves as an configuration file. The key properties include name, that is the project name, version, that is the project version, and the dependencies, a list of packages that project depends on, scripts, custom script for various tasks. Main, the entry point to the application. Explain the difference between the require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? In Node.js, require is used to import modules, while import is the part of ECMA script modules, that is ECM syntax. Use requires for common JS modules, Node.js native modules, and third-party libraries, and import for ES modules when using the ESM syntax. What is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you explain, give an example of how we would use middleware in the application? Uh, what is the middleware? We can say middleware is an express.js is a function that processes the incoming HTTP request before they reach the route handler. It can be used for tasks like authentication, logging, and data validation. Uh, what is RESTful API and how can you create one Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API is an architecture style for designing networked applications. In Node.js and Express.js, you create one by defining routes and using other HTTP methods like get for fetching data, post for creating data, put for updating data, and delete for deleting the data. These methods correspond to CRUD operations, which is generally known as create, read, update, and delete. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager (npm), and how do you use it to manage the dependencies in Node.js project? npm, which is generally known as Node Package Manager, is used to manage dependencies in a Node.js project. You can use it to install, update, and remove the packages easily. To make dependencies, you typically use commands like npm install, npm uninstall, and npm update in your project directory. Why is important to hash in an web application? So generally it's important to hash passwords in the web application because it adds layer of security by storing only the hash representation of the password, making it difficult for attackers to retrieve the original password from the database. Hashing protects user data in case of the data breach.